Hello, my friends. Welcome to another episode of Trading the Markets with Jay Flores, using multiple time frame system made with Tim with Irvin. Thank you so much for tuning in. I want to welcome all the new members who signed in recently. Thank you very much for signing. Hopefully I can be of any help for your trading career. This week we're going to analyze probably 5 to 6 pairs of what we're expecting to do, what the market to do. Got to remember that Monday is Labor Day here in America, so normally the markets move a lot slower when that happens. So we're still gonna analyze the markets because we still got Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, a little bit of Friday to do some trading. Thank you very much. Please leave your comments, and if you're interested in getting this system, there's going to be a link below the video for you to take advantage. Okay, let's start with I've been looking for different pairs. We've been keeping a very close eye on the USD CAD that we have right in front of us. And if I look at the daily, one second here. Okay, thank you. If we look at the daily, we can see all this long trend coming down for a long time. Okay, so this looks like very much completed as far as in the structure. And if we go to the 4-hour, one second, okay. If we go to the 4-hour, last week we were pretty much in this area over here, and we were expecting the markets to go up, but what we don't know yet until it's proven is if the markets are gonna, because we need a bigger reversal. It's due for a bigger reversal on this USD CAD. So we have brothers and sisters here, and we did a very good trade last week. But now it's retracing, so what we've got to keep an eye. We should never sell here, in other words. Okay, the master, this one, it's the master trend. It's down, as we can all see. But this is going to be like a big reversal if this is a reversal that we are waiting for. So we don't recommend, because it is a pullback according to the master trend. So be very careful if you are going to trade this. Okay. So we're still keeping an eye on the USD CAD. I wanted to show you guys GBP USD. Let's go to USD. My computer's moving very slow. I'm sorry about that. Let's see what I can do here. Okay. 1 second. There. Sorry about that. Okay, so we're in the 4-hour USD. We're waiting for this move to come down. The master trend. This one. Let me move to the daily. Okay, yeah, we are definitely in a pullback master trend on this up. Okay, so your best trades always, when you're going with the master trade, is always pretty much in line with that master trend. In this case, we're going in an uptrend. So we're looking for all the buys that we can get off of this. The only thing you got to be careful because we are in a pullback. Like I said in the beginning, and a lot of the pairs on the pullback situations right now. But you can, do a few trades here and there. So this is what we're expecting for the market to do. We need a correction. That correction can be sideways correction, not necessarily a sharp correction like that. It can be sideways. It can be a sharp correction, pullback, and then complete the structure. And once we get a magic arrow, I would rather wait for this trade right here to go all the way down here and then go with the trend, with the master trend. So we got to be very patient with this one. So unless you're a scalper and you like to do like small trades like going up then going down, you can do that too. You just got to be very focused. You got to be almost in front of your computer all the time to do that. That's what I'm expecting for GBP USD. NCD CAD, it's another pair that I like to show you. All right, NCD CAD, this is a good trade that we had in the last week and a half. And now, obviously, we have a 4-hour right here telling us we are in a support. Okay, this can still, although that it is a support, they can still go a little bit farther down, or you can just react right there. Okay, remember that support lines, they're not actually lines, they are areas. Okay, so you can go a little bit low, or you can go from there. Then I am expecting for the market to do move, and then to do, I will wait for this trade right here, pretty much NCD CAD. Now, check it out. If the market, let's say it starts going up and the high, even better, I'm going to sell it from higher, from a. So it's not that, okay, you guys are messing up or whatever. It's not that. It's just the market is extending higher or lower, all depends on the case. But I will wait for a trade to go down on this case to go with the master trend. Okay. Now I repeat, this, the price in this can't just go like sideways. It can go sharp, even higher than this, and then that will be an even better sell to come down. But I'm gonna put it right here, just as one of the biggest possibilities for the market to go a little up and then down again. And we'll see how the market reacts for this one. This is a very interesting trade. We're going to keep an eye and see how it's reacting during the week. Okay, that's CAD, NCD, CHF. It's another trade that we're going to analyze this market and work with it. NCD, CHF. All right, there we go. Okay. Before we go any far, if you are a new trader, I have a special code if you want to join or get the system, multiple time frame system. I have this code right here, JF20. Use that code and you will get an automatic discount. Plus, if you email Tim with Irvin with this code, and it'll take you directly in, and you can message him, and he can give you an additional 39 off of the system. Okay, we're trying to help the community, and we want all of you guys to start making some money. Okay, especially in these times, difficult times, with a lot of people lost their jobs. You know, the economy is barely looking like it's gonna recuperate, so we can do it better with with the extra income like trading. So take advantage of that. You know, we have a special discount for all this time. So thank you very much. Take advantage of it. It's going to really, really help you. Okay, on the NCD CHF, Okay, what are we waiting on this one? Oh, my computer's acting very, very slow. It must be the heat here in California. Okay. Look at the master trend on this one. It's up. Okay. So right now, Magic Arrow is developing a pullback. Obviously, pullback down. So what we are waiting for the market to do is to start coming down. It can be from that point or a little bit higher, but it's going to start coming down this way. 1 second, please. So we can complete this structure right here. Then this will be a good trade to buy it. Okay. Now, if this price breaks the high, it's the same thing. If the pullback is just going to take longer, that's all. Okay. So it's the same direction coming down, and then we're going to wait until the price is down so we can start buying it. That's NCDCHF. Now we're going to look at I want to look at USD Mexican peso. It's a very good, very obedient pair. It works real good with this trading system. Look at what happened here, and I want to show you something real. Okay, I'm at this trade right now. I'm on this trade in my other account. This is account that I use for demo, and I use for very small entries also. But my first entry was around this area, but I knew that the market could still go lower, right? Because we have a trend coming down, obviously. So I'm going to leave this trade right there. My invalidation of that trade will be actually this low right there. That's why I have my stop loss right there below that weekly support. If it breaks that weekly support, I'm out of the trade. Okay? But if this is a reversal right there, in this demo trade, it's like a lot of pips. And this is going to be $28. Real account, it will be a few $100s, okay? So I'm going to take that trade. Although this is a pullback, okay? That's why I that way. This is a great example, okay? And I don't like to hide nothing. There you go. But I know exactly what's going on. That's the thing. And I'm ready to loss right there. Because it's under 2% of my account in my real account. I am not worried. I don't lose no sleep because of 2% of my account. Okay. So if that I'm gonna lose 2%, but I'm gonna keep going. Because if I lose 2 trades and then I win 3 trades or 4 trades, I'm up. I'm in the green. That's important to think about trading. So that's a USD Mexican peso. We're in a pullback. Wait, because the better trade for you, it's to go to a downtrend, pretty much. Okay, so we're going to see how the markets behave. We're going to keep a very close eye on it. And the last pair I want to show you is odd NCD. I like odd NCD a lot. It moves kind of slow, but it's a very steady pair. Excuse my computer here. Oh, and another thing. Excuse the audio also. I know that my professional microphone is just acting up, so I've been having problems with it. So I'm using my little headphones microphone right now. So excuse for the sound. It's not the best quality, but that's what I have right now. So audience today, we are in a pullback, as you can see. Okay, so the best thing to do on this, let me go to the 1 hour so I can see that move a little bit clear. Make it a little bit bigger by stretching it here. Well, I think I'm not working good today. Okay, that was a little too much. clear pullback, right? For our groups to know exactly what we're talking about. So, what we're expecting the market is to start moving up, pretty much as a normal pullback. We can see a resistance there, so all these areas are resistance area. The market's going to go where it needs to go. It can even go all the way to the top. It doesn't matter. That's a huge resistance area. But what we are waiting is for the sell. So on this one, we're going to have to be patient to wait for the market to tell us what to do. We don't move first. We let the market move and shows their direction, and then we trade, right? So that's kind of the direction we're waiting, or hands down, pretty much, for odd and CD. Well, we're gonna leave it there. We got I think 6 or 7 pairs. On Wednesday, we're gonna meet one more time to analyze the markets and see where we are, and see if some of the pairs are developed. If you have any questions, please put it in the comments. If you'd like me to, even in the middle of the week, if you'd like me to do an analysis on any of your pairs or your preferred pairs, let me know. I'm going to keep an eye on this video in the comments. So for Wednesday, any questions or any pairs that you'd like me to analyze, I'm going to do it on Wednesday, on top of analyzing this pairs to see their development. So thank you very much. I'd like to also invite you to see one of the videos that Tim with Irvin did last week. It's how to trade, how to find sniper trades on the lower time frames, like 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour. It's a very good video. Go ahead and check it out for the people who like to do shorter time frames. There you go. That's the way you can make some bucks too. So thank you very much. God bless you all. Be very careful. Be safe out there. It's some pit. Let me go.